YouTube? I am Reap, and this is another video. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, we got a very special unboxing from CCS. But before we get into that, let me let you know, sucker for sneakers, that's what it says. Just in case you were wondering, just says sucker on the top. So yeah, sucker for sneakers, that's what the rest of it says. So yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, shout out to everyone that participated in my giveaway. You'll greatly appreciate it. The winner should have been contacted now. Since you're watching this video, I already contacted the winner, and I can't wait to see what you came up with for your custom design. I definitely thought it was going to be a lot more people that entered, but it's all good. To the people that actually did enter, your odds were definitely higher since the numbers were low. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this box. Man, I can't stress this enough. Shout out to CCS. This is my second raffle win since I became a Plus member. I think it's CCS Plus. I think it's like $20 a year, and I guess you get access to the exclusive raffles for the SBs and everything. It's separate from the general raffle, the general public raffle, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but if you want to check it out, head over to their Instagram, or you can head over to ccs.com, and you can figure it out. It's not a paid sponsorship, so y'all can do your own research, man. Do your Googles, B. Get that out of the way. Whew. Got that purple SB box. Yes, sir. So you have the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in that medium gray, clear jade, and black. Size 12, of course. Retail price of $100. That's why I love Dunk so much. There you go. See if I can get it right. So I've been wearing Dunks since high school, man. Like, that price point, you can't beat it. Then the colorway, they're dope. Especially the low tops. I'm not a big fan of the high tops as much as the low. Okay, that's a little invoice. They had something about like skateboards, but like I didn't order a skateboard, so that's why I was looking crazy. But let's go ahead and see these together. I'm excited. I know you got a little sneak peek right there, so oh yeah. Sheesh. Get a close up. Hold on, you already know what time it is. Look at that. Yeah, Nike SB Dunk Low Elephant print or Atmos, whatever you want to call these. I think they're going by like both nicknames. Then you got the extra set of laces too. I'll get to that later. But yeah, I'm definitely a fan. Quality is not bad. I know I watched on Rep Milwaukee. He posted his video, his pickup joint, and his quality wasn't the best. I don't know, maybe I'm just getting lucky, because the toe box leather is very soft. He did say the elephant print was trash, but like I said, my toe cap and everything, pretty soft. But once I switch the camera angles, get you a closer review on these, I can get more in depth. But yeah, I can see where you're saying is okay. So I mean, it's not the best quality like throughout the whole shoe, but for $100, it's not bad. No complaints here. So let me go ahead and swap the camera angle so we can get into it. All right, let's get into this up close review. See that elephant print? It reminds me of the 23 pack or the J pack or whatever. I had the black cement pair, and the elephant print as well. As this is a rough suede or nubuck, whatever this material is supposed to be. And so this is not the best quality, so don't expect too much
if you decide to cop these. But that resale price is crazy. Like the last time I checked, they were $400. So yeah, while I'm editing, I look up whatever the price is for 12 and post that somewhere up here. But check out, look at that soft, that leather soft. So my man Rap Milwaukee 414, hey, I don't know if you just got a bad batch or what, because this, look at this is crazy. That's soft. Even the elephant print up here. So like I said, it's not a bad shoe. Definitely a fan of the colorway, of course. As far as the laces, I don't know if like a set of white laces would, you know, be better with these. Or the gray, I don't know. I'll figure it out when I do the on foot. I'm not sure if I have an extra set of white SB laces. I believe, I should. I definitely should. So I have to check. So yeah, if I find them, you'll see it on the on foot. If not, this on foot might be delayed until I get it set in. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. What you guys think? You think the white laces will look crazy in these, or think it'll set it off? I don't know, but yeah, I'll figure it out. But I'm definitely gonna try the gray laces, at least in the on foot. Hopefully I can do the white and gray. But yeah, back to the shoe. It's a solid shoe overall. Colorway for sure, that Tiffany blue or jade, whatever shade they you want to go with. Give it a nice little pop off the elephant print, and then the black and white hits as well. Definitely clean. You know, fall, winter, can't go wrong. The other shoes, same thing. Toe box quality is A1. You know, the Nike Zoom Air, the Nike SB Zoom Air. I mean, they're pretty comfortable. They're not like a Boost or, let me see, like a Nike React or anything like that. At the end of the day, these are made for skating. So, you know, you got the pattern and everything, flat surface, because that's really big in the skating culture, from what I've heard, because I'm not a skater. So any skaters watching this, let me know. I definitely want to get the opinions of an actual skater. So if any skaters are watching this, let me know what you think about the SBs in general. Not just like with the colorways, but as far as functionality. Because for me, I just wear them. They're not the most comfortable shoe in the world, but I can wear them for a extended period of time and not, you know, have any issues. So yeah, if you're a skater out there, amateur or professional, let me know how you found my video for one. And let me know what you think about the SB as a whole. I would definitely love to hear what you think. So yeah, that's gonna do it. Got the ATMOS dunks, elephant dunk, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful shoe. If you can get your hands on these for retail, go for it. If you need to pay the resale, you gotta do what you gotta do. But I think this is worth the cop, even though that resale price is crazy. Like I said, if I can try to edit that in here so you can see what I'm talking about. But I'm just glad I got the retail cop. Shout out to CCS. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, jump back in front of the camera and end the video.
It's gonna be the end of the video. I hope everyone that's watching this enjoyed the video. Like the video for sure. Drop some comments down below what you think of the shoe. What do you think about my channel? What do you think about the reviews in general? Any suggestions for my next giveaway? And definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Because like I said, I know a lot of people want me to do shoe giveaways. So, liking this video and subscribing will definitely help me along the way to give you guys these sneaker giveaways that you want. Because, like I said, I'm not monetized yet. I'm not a partner with YouTube, so I don't get paid for any of these videos you're seeing. So everything that I give away or that I review on my channel comes out of my pocket. So I definitely have to put the extra work in with YouTube and, of course, with my job. You know, my day job, my everyday job, 24/7 job, because it's not a typical 9 to 5. So if you know, you know. But yeah, I put in this work to get this stuff out for you guys. So please help me out. Subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Your uncles, your nephews, nieces if they're into shoes. Your mom if she likes sneakers. Your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whoever is surrounding you in your circle. Just let them know about my channel. And if you rock with me, they'll rock with me as well. They probably trust your judgment. Well, I hope they trust your judgment there in your circle. But yeah, before that's a whole nother topic. Hey, shout out to DZ for the headband. I'll link his IG and the website down below if you want to, get one of these joints. The socks are crazy too. Like I know that's weird to say, but the socks, they're like the softest socks I've had in a while. So I definitely ordered 4 pairs so far. I wish he dropped them in 6-packs, but hey, it's all good. I'm probably gonna have a few more orders soon. So definitely check them out. I don't know. I was about to say something. That's why that dramatic so was in there. I don't know. I'm rambling. I'm tired, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I will catch y'all in the next one. Thank you again for all of your love and support. It's greatly appreciated.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.